Hey guys, so welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to how to add collaborators, how to work as a team on a repository on your GitHub account. So, moving on, please do well to like and subscribe. So, going to my repositories, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a repo, a new repo. So this repository name will be care repo. So care repo how tutorial on how to add collaborators slash team for team projects. So public, you can add a readme file if you want to add. So I'm going to create this repository. So this is the repository. So I want to make this repository for two collaborators. So I'll go to my settings. So in my settings tab, make sure you are on the repository before you go to your settings. Each repository have their own settings. So on my settings in my repository, I'll go to my collaborators. You can see who has access, public repository, zero collaborators have access. So I want to add someone. So here I will need either their email, their username, or their full name. So now I'm going to add someone. So let me invite him. They will send him an invitation to collaborate with me on this request, on this repo. So you are going to wait until the person accepts the invitation, or you notify the person for immediate collaboration. So let me reload it now. So you can see now it is accepted. Is now a collaborator. So if we go to our repo, we expand it, we check our settings, go to your collaborators. Is a collaborator. One person has access to this repository, one collaborator. So you can add more people, you can add more. So that is how to add collaborators to your repository. So in order to for the two of you to be able to work on this project, he can add some files from his own side. So I'm going to add a bonus. I'm going to show you how to add files, or how to add files to your repository. So coming to this tab right here, you for mobile, you click this button here. You see, go to file, create new file, upload file. While for desktop, you see add files. So if you want to create a new file, you can just click on it, then what you have to do is, maybe the stuff you are creating is an index page, then the extension, your preferred extension, you can put .php or .java or .md or .py and so on. So I can put .c, then I can put header file, include header.h. So I can come to my commits and I can say index.c file creation. Then I can create. You can see now, if I click on it, I'll see my code. So then I can upload file. So I can choose from my desktop. Okay, let me choose this. Then you can see the comments. File uploaded, commit changes, processing your files. You can see it here. So that is how to create file and upload file. So I'm going to ask my teammate to create a file from his own end, so you can see the changes. So he's going to create a file with his name, a readme file with his name. He's going to edit the readme file and add his name on it. He's going to edit the readme file edited by at infosam for you. So I'm going to reload this page and you're going to see a table created by my teammates. So as you can see, he created a table and added a quote. So that is how to add a collaborator, and you can see contributors. So Arago and Infosam. So thank you for watching. Do well to like and subscribe for more updates and tips on ALX program. I do wish you a helpful journey throughout the program, and please do not give up on your journey. Complete what you started. Thank you. Like and subscribe to my channel.